Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are at the Market Common. It is a shopping district, tons of restaurants, and they have some entertainment here as well. Since our last full tour, they have added some new eateries, so we're going to show you those and show you everything that's going on here at Market Common. What's new, what's already here. We're going to show you the map so you can see if there's anything of interest to you here as well. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. We are so glad to have you with us. It's a gorgeous day here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and this is sort of a hidden gem. I don't think a lot of people from out of town come here. Some do, but I don't think it's as heavily populated by tourists because like right now is peak season. It's not crowded here, it's pleasant. And so this can be a nice little escape, and it's not far. Like if you're staying on Ocean Boulevard, you just go to the south end of Ocean Boulevard all the way to the end, and you cross over to Faro Parkway, which is what this is off of. So let's show you a map. You can pull this up online to get a better view because I know this is a lot to take in. It has kind of an unusual grid layout, and it's actually challenging for me to get every store, but if you want to see everything they have, like I said, you can go online and you'll be able to see every single store and restaurant and entertainment that they have here. They do also have beautiful landscaping along with lots of trees which provide shade. This is sort of like one of those outdoor malls, but they also have condos above them. That's what those yellow buildings up there are. So we are a little too close to see the sign. I'll pull out. We've got Barnes & Noble. It's actually a huge Barnes & Noble here. And there is ample parking here, and the parking is free. Like for example, there's parking behind that Barnes & Noble. You just can't see it from here. They also have a couple of parking decks, and then as you can see, there's also street parking. So there's plenty of parking. I've never had trouble finding a parking space. If all the street parking looks full, just get to one of the parking decks, and they are very centrally located. I'll show them to you as we go by. Here's the Trevina Italian Kitchen. If you have seen our videos for the Taste of Market Common, which is a festival, food festival they have here, we have tried some stuff at Trevina Italian Kitchen, so you can go back and watch that video. To find videos on our channel, just search for Carmen and Brian and Myrtle Beach and Market Common. You can put Taste of Market Common, whatever you would like to. There's the Crepe Creation Cafe and the Cold Stone Creamery, which is a ice cream shop. And then here is the Grand 14, which is a really large movie theater. Also on the entertainment, we will show it later in this video, but on the entertainment front, they do have, there's a nice look back towards where we just walked. See what I mean about the landscaping is beautiful. They do have a bowling alley here as well. So you've got a couple of options for some entertainment. Here's Ko Sushi, and didn't you really enjoyed what you, yeah. Brian said the food here is amazing. He had something at the, oh, and he said the pizza, and by the way, this is new. This is new since our last tour, the Pizzeria Gios. He had some pizza there, said it was amazing from the food festival. So that's what's so great about that. And they have that Taste of Market Commons food festival twice a year here. So you get to try some things. So I got to try Dirty Don's here. Now there is a Dirty Don's on the main boardwalk here in Myrtle Beach as well. But this one here is new. It's new since our last tour. It was open during the food festival day, so I got to try their oysters and they were amazing. I highly recommend. Over there we've got the East Coast Tea Bar. So if you like bubble tea, that kind of thing, they have that. They participate in the festival as well. So again, great way to try things. So here's a sign for parking. So there's some parking right down there. That would be a little further away though. I would do that as sort of a last resort. Over here we've got electric bikes. And so here is a parking deck. This would be definitely more convenient than that other sign back there. So here's a place that you can park. Definitely a good option. Passed by a dentist office, a yoga studio, and a few things that we didn't think you'd be terribly interested in. So we've gone around the corner. Just wanted to show you that this is Valor Park, which is right here in the heart of the Market Common. And they have a lot of festivals there and some really cool festivals there. So that's something to keep in mind too. Here's the King Street Grill. They've got outdoor and indoor seating, and they participate in the festival as well, as does Tupelo Honey. We have not eaten at this location of Tupelo Honey, but we have eaten at their original location in Asheville, North Carolina, so we have eaten there before and it was good. Then here on the corner you've got a Veda shop, and then right across the street here is Gordon Biersch. It's both a brewery and a restaurant. We tried their fries. They have some famous fries. That's what they call them, world famous fries, I believe. We tried those at the food festival. I don't think they were Brian and I's cup of tea, to be honest. Not for us. You know, fries is an individual taste for sure. Also, this Market Common area, we get a lot of questions about the neighborhoods here. It's not just one neighborhood, it's tons of neighborhoods, and they're all different and they all have different rules and different everything. So you definitely want to work with a real estate agent if you're thinking about buying a home here. It's definitely something that you'll want to talk with someone else about because there's just so many options here. There's even a 55 and older neighborhood. There's just so many options here. Now I'm going to actually try to point things out on both sides of the street, and there's a pretty big street. So there's Southern Living over there. Also, there is a playground in the middle right up here. You'll see it as we go by probably. So if you've got little ones, they do have a playground here. Got Manifest. And then you've got the Sunglass Hut. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps other people find our video. We really appreciate that. Also, if you'd like to keep up with everything going on in Myrtle Beach, definitely hit that subscribe button because we cover everything in Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area, and we also put out a couple of videos a week, so we'll keep you up to date on everything that's going on. So this is a place I actually do want to try. I tried it at the food festival. It's amazing. Zardine. They have all kinds of healthy food bowls and that kind of thing, and the one I had was so good. J. Jill. And then across the way we have Bath and Body Works. I think that's always popular with everybody. Let me know in the comments if that's somewhere that you like to shop, Bath and Body Works. It looks like a flight school, maybe? Is that a flight school? Lift Academy, Aviation Center. That's interesting. I think that's new. I don't remember that the last time we did a tour. And then we have White House Black Market. And then Style Me Boutique. Looks like a comic book store. That might be new too. I don't remember that the last time we did a tour. Brian just confirmed that is new, so that's another new, lots of new things. Chico's, Soma. And then right here on the corner is a Children's Discovery Center. We'll go around the corner so you can see the name of it. Children's Museum, Ed Venture, ED Venture. So if you have some little ones, that might be an option. It's a pretty big building that they have, pretty big space that they have here. I love all the trees here though. It really makes it so much cooler than if this was in the blazing sun, especially in the summer. There's Francesca's. Then you've got Centro Shoes and Random. Now we're up to PF Chang's, and I wanted to point out here is one of the other parking decks. This was actually my favorite one to use. It's very conveniently located, and there's actually another way to get to it. So we're on this side street. So there's the bowling alley, which we'll come back to. So we're right here on Reed Street. The main street, which we're about to walk on, is the Faro Parkway. It is a very busy road, as you will see. And right over there is a public park, right across the street where that lake is. That's a public park, so you can come and walk around the lake. It's totally open to the public. And they also have a farmer's market that sometimes it's in that Valor Park and sometimes it's over here by the lake. And then here is one of Brian and I's favorite restaurants here. It's the Nacho Hippo. They have 3 locations here in Myrtle Beach. They have one in North Myrtle Beach right across from Barefoot Landing. They have this one, and they have one at the airport. And obviously if the airport, it is gated behind the security area, so you need to be flying to take advantage of that one. But It is a semi-local chain. It's a regional chain. They're owned by that Divine Dining Group that owns a lot of things around here. But it's good. We've always enjoyed it. Also, right next to Nacho Hippo is another entrance to that parking deck. Here's the corner of Faro and Nevers or Nevers. I think it's Nevers Drive. There again is Valor Park. So we've got Orvis here on the corner. And then here is a new restaurant, CK's Bistro, that just opened. It wasn't even quite open when we came for the food festival, so it is brand spanking new, and their food looks amazing. I saw some of their food and it looks really good. Let's check out their menu since they were kind enough to post it outside. I know there's a lot of glare, sorry about that. There's nothing I can do. Looks really, really good. All kinds of tasty things there. And we'll continue on down here. So yeah, this is a really nice park over here. Love it. They have art festivals there. I think they have an Italian festival there, all kinds of fun stuff. So they've got Two Brothers Woodworks. Looks like they do custom work. And then you've got the Seacoast Artist Gallery. Also, they have a bowling alley here at Market Common. And we understand they have an indoor putt-putt course in there as well. If you've done that putt-putt course, let us know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.